Tired of a messy saved sellers list on eBay? You know the one. It's cluttered with sellers you don't even follow anymore. And every time you just want to check on your favorites, you're scrolling through a bunch of names you don't recognize. It's frustrating. But here's the good news. You can clean it all up in under a minute. Seriously. So here's the plan. I am going to walk you through the exact steps. We'll start by logging into your account, navigating straight to your saved sellers list, and then removing the ones you don't need anymore. It's quick, it's simple, and by the time we're done, you'll have a clean, manageable list with only the sellers you actually want to track. All right, let's jump in. First things first, open up your browser and head over to ebay.com. You can use whichever browser you like. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, it doesn't matter. Just type in that address and hit enter. Now, you'll probably see the sign-in page right away. If you're already logged in, you might just land on the home page. But if not, go ahead and sign in to your eBay account. Use your email and password, or if you have two-factor authentication set up, just follow those prompts. Take your time here, no rush. Once you're signed in, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see a link that says My eBay. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it. You don't need to click it yet, just hover. A drop-down menu should appear with several options. And here's the part that a lot of people miss. In that drop-down menu, you want to look for the option that says Saved Sellers. Click on that. This will take you straight to the page where all your saved sellers are listed. This is the spot where your clutter has been hiding. Now, take a second to look through the list. You might see some familiar names, but there are probably a few sellers you don't recognize, or sellers you stopped following months ago. Locate the seller you want to remove. If you have a long list, just scroll until you find the one. When you spot the seller you want to clear out, you'll see a button next to their name. It might say Remove, or it might say Unsave, depending on eBay's current layout. Go ahead and click that button. Now, here's the satisfying part. Wait just a moment for the seller to be removed from your list. You might see a quick confirmation message, or the seller's name might just disappear from the page. That's it. They're gone. And before you know it, you've cleaned up your saved sellers list. No more clutter, just the sellers you actually want to keep an eye on. You did it. So there you have it. From a messy, disorganized list to a clean one you can actually navigate. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick eBay tips. Thanks for watching and happy selling.